everyone, it's Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. It is Stitch Fix Day. Am I yelling? I feel like I'm yelling at you, and I don't want to yell at you because I am so grateful that you have joined me. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you will be notified every single time I upload a video. And I make videos all about clothing, style boxes and clothing hauls and online shopping and shopping in stores. I love clothing, and I know you do too. That's why you clicked on this video. So please be certain to subscribe and join me again. The 411 on Stitch Fix is you fill out a style quiz online. You're paired with a stylist who curates a box of 5 items, sends them to you at home, postage free, both ways. You get to try everything on. If you buy it all, you get a 25% discount, and if you don't, you can send back anything that you don't want, postage free. It's kind of Stitch Fix in a nutshell. But if you want more information or you want to try Stitch Fix alone, I am leaving my referral link in the description box below. And every time someone uses that referral link, I get a little bit of credit on my Stitch Fix account. And thank you. A sincere thank you. I cannot believe how awesome you ladies have been in using my referral link. It makes these clothes so much easier for me to try and to keep, and you keep me dressed nicely. But above everything, you are supporting my channel, and for that, I thank you very much. So let's get into this box. Here's my box, and everything you need to know about Stitch Fix is also printed right on the box. So you never have to worry about not knowing what to do with Stitch Fix. That we get a return mailer so we can return anything that we don't want, and we have an envelope full of information, and this has extra information. I'm very familiar with Stitch Fix, and I can tell this has something else in it. And we have a bundle, and we have a box. Sounds like jewels. Okay, let's look at the bundle. Ooh, okay, this looks interesting. Can you see seashell looking fabric and something in orange? Oh, what is that? Do we have palm trees or some type of leaf there? This looks very interesting. We will start with the seashells. Oh, these are shorts. These are by Level 99. These are the Adrian printed short by Level 99, and these are a olive green and black. These are great. These have a zip pocket. Oh, these are so cool. Zip pocket on the front and pockets in the back, and they are real. They're probably stitched shut. They're stitched shut, but I can tell on the inside that we actually, well, it's a little pocket. I don't know if I would even bother cutting them. But is the length long enough? That is always the issue with me, because I have issues with my inner thigh. I really don't like to show that off. In fact, I won't buy anything if it's too short. Next up, okay, this is polyester something. Is it a dress? This is a skirt. Okay, this is kind of a teal blue. This is by Gilly. This is the Gilly Nita Knit Maxi Dress in teal green, size medium. And this is what it looks like. I don't know about this. I can't wait to try it on. I was wearing a lot of these maxi skirts a few years ago, and my husband loved them. I had a blast wearing them 2 or 3 years ago, and then I just got tired of them. So let's see if this is special enough to keep. This, I love the print of this. This is by Paper Moon. This is the Fayette mixed material blouse, and look at that. This yellow, you know how much I'm loving yellow lately. I love that print, and the back of it is a solid yellow. This looks so nice. I'm so excited about this one. This is a bright yellow. I don't know if it will match my new yellow shoes. Then we have, of course, this is a color that I love. This is Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. This is the Kearney Dolman top in red. Oh, okay, this is an orangey color red. And it's a stretchy, it feels like a cotton blend. It has a bit of a cuff there, and the dolman style. Is that a crew neck? Looks like we've got a bit of a dip. There's a little V there. So I'll try it. This doesn't look that special, but maybe it's going to look fabulous on. And let's see what's in the jewelry box. Oh my goodness. Oh my. What is this? Do we have a tag on it? I mean, we have a tag. This is Stella and Ruby. And that is, that's over the top. I mean, it's beautiful. It's nice, but it's very unusual. I know why she sent it to me. I just, would you wear this with a t-shirt? I mean, I guess because I think it looks so costume jewelry-like. I wouldn't want to wear it with a nice dress because I think it would look cheap. Let's look and see what the stylist note says. I'll read you the stylist note. Let's see who my stylist is, because as you know, if you've been watching my channel, my stylist is out on maternity leave. Hi, Angelica. I hope you're watching, and blessings to you, and I miss you so much. So this is Lana. It says, "Hi, Kelly. It's time for another fix, and I'm delighted to be styling you again. I see that you are on the hunt for another pair of shorts, looser fitting with a longer inseam. I was able to find this pair from Level 99. They have a looser fit and length that you have liked in the past and are in the olive color that you have been loving. I also selected a maxi skirt based on your request." I did not request that. This is one from Gilly. "What do you think of its print and color? Both bottoms can be paired with the tops I've selected for you today. The yellow blouse from Paper Moon has a subtle print that would mix well with the others. And the bold red top by Mix 41 Hawthorne has a longer sleeve, but will be lightweight enough for your heat," she says, "where I live. I'd love to hear your feedback on these styles and if there's anything that you would like to see next." So, just looking at the style card, nothing really stands out to me except this. Let's try everything on. You guys heard the note, and my stylist said I could wear both tops with both bottoms, so I put this red dolman with the Level 99 shorts. I don't know. I don't think I would pair these two together normally. What do you think about this combination? Okay, let's start with this red top by 41 Hawthorne. I don't have a red dolman, and this is kind of an orangey red, and I kind of like this one. I'm surprised because when I saw a long sleeve dolman in my box, that didn't really make me happy, but this would be nice. You saw I had long sleeves on to start this video because it is chilly in my house, so I do wear long sleeves in the summer. When I know I will be inside, I put on something to keep from freezing. So this is the top, and it's pretty comfortable. I think it's a pretty good fit, and it feels really nice. It's a nice fabric, so this might be an option. Now, the shorts, these Level 99 shorts, when I pulled them out of the box, I love them. I feel like they're too short. I've been wearing a much longer short all day long today, so I feel like I'm wearing Daisy Dukes right now. And you have to keep the zipper zipped up. When I think they don't look good when they're down. So, but you know, that is a functional pocket. You could actually, you know, keep your credit card in there and it wouldn't go anywhere. So that's kind of nice. But so here's the length on them, and this is what they look like. I'm not sold on them. I'll be waiting for your comments to see what you think about these Level 99 shorts. What do you think? This is kind of heavy. It's a little bit heavy, so it feels like a nice quality piece. It's just, it's really a piece. That's a big, big jewel there. I just tucked this Paper Moon shirt into the ghillie skirt to see if I liked it any better. So this mixing of patterns, this pattern and the floral pattern, it's probably too fashion forward for a girl like me, but my stylist said to do it. So I'm trying it out, and let me know what you think about it. Let's talk about the skirt. The skirt is really long, and I've got it folded down, but honestly, I prefer it all the way up here. I just think it feels better, and it doesn't add extra bulk up here. And then a skirt like this I would normally wear really with a white t-shirt. Doesn't that look silly? But it's really high if I wear it all the way up, but I don't know. You know, I wasn't looking for a maxi skirt. I just donated all of my maxi skirts because I found it's an item that I just don't wear a lot of. I'm not real big on skirts. I don't know if you've noticed that, but I just have a harder time wearing skirts. Let's talk about the top, the paper moon top. And oh, I love this print. It's so subtle and it's so fresh. It really is a nice summertime print, I think, and this is very easy to wear this top. It feels so silky and nice. And the back feels like a t-shirt, super soft t-shirt. So, ooh, looky there. You guys saw it. I saw a little bra poking through, so might be a little bit large in the armholes, but this is a size medium. I don't know if I could size down to a small. I think I would stick with this. So this is what it looks like. And I really like the top. The top is a big win for me right now. Okay, I have just looked over the prices. I'm still wearing the maxi dress and the paper moon top. And do you know what I'm going to keep? Do you know me well enough to know what I am going to keep? The maxi skirt is $48, and that kind of surprises me. But you know what? The reason it surprises me is because I'm not wearing skirts, especially not maxi skirts, so they have no value to me. It's a pretty color, I'll give it that, but I don't want a maxi skirt. So $48 or $8, it doesn't make any difference to me. I don't want a skirt. Next up, we have the level 99 shorts. These are $74. That is really expensive. That's the price of a pair of denims almost. I don't know. And you know what? So they're very special. I'll give it that. They are special, but for $74, I want the perfect length. I want to put them on and feel completely confident in wearing them, and I didn't have that feeling with these. These felt a little bit too short for me. They're very comfortable. If you're comfortable with a short, which most people are, I'm just not. So these might be an option because I think they are absolutely adorable, well made, they feel awesome, just not for me. Then, okay, this red dolman top by 41 Hawthorne. This top is the cheapest thing in my box, and it's one of the things I like the best. I think it's just a good staple. A bright red top is a staple in my world, so I think I will be adding this one to my closet. Did you like this one? Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this one. And the necklace. I didn't tell you the name of the necklace. The necklace is the Stella and Ruby Lowry Crystal Cone Necklace in peach. It's $38. Wow, it's just a lot of necklace. I think it's great. That's the biggest diamond I've ever seen in my life, and so it's fun. It's a conversation starter, but you know, I'm a conversation starter. I really don't need a necklace to do that. So I think this is a little much for me, and I think I've been saying that a lot lately, and I used to think nothing was too much for me. I like big, loud, flashy, but let me know your thoughts on this necklace. The thing we have is the Paper Moon Mixed Media, Fayette Mixed Media blouse, and this is $44. And this blouse is definitely staying. From the moment I saw it in the box, I was attracted to the colors of it. It's got a great feel, and this blouse is going to be mine. Please leave your comments about these items in the description box below. The grand total of this box is $240. The buy all discount is $60. So that would make this whole box $180. And then with the credit I have, it would bring the total down to just over $100. And I'll tell you what, I'm not buying it all. These two tops I'm thinking about, $38 for this necklace. Because this would be fun to wear with a t-shirt. Once, twice, a third time if you go to a different city. I can't wait to hear what you think about this Stitch Fix, this unboxing, this try-on. I have had a blast sharing it with you, and I will have another video coming out for you in 2 days. In the meantime, could you give this video a thumbs up and hook a girl up? I would really, really appreciate it. And I will be looking for you. Please look for me in 2 days with that next video. Until we meet again, blessings to you all.